Good morning, children. Hope you all are eagerly waiting for the math class. I also hope you are doing your homeworks and the worksheets. Yes, before we begin, let us recall what we have learned in the previous class. We learned how to arrange numbers in an order. We have two different orders. One is ascending order and the other one is descending order. In ascending order, we arrange the numbers from small to big. And in descending order, we arrange the numbers from big to small. Right? With this knowledge, let us begin today's lesson. Hope you all are ready with the book. Sit properly, be focused. Yes, let's get started. As usual, let me ask you a few questions. Observe the picture. What do you observe in the picture? Yes, it is a picture of a clock. And what else do you see? Yes, we see it is showing 5 o'clock, right? What else? We also observe that the units are in letters. What are these letters in the clock? Yes, these letters are the letters in the English alphabets. Also, these are the letters in Roman numerals. Right. Where else you have seen these Roman numerals? Can you guess? Right. In the wristwatch and also in your textbooks in the exercises and also on the name board of your classrooms. Isn't it? Yes. Then, what do you know about Roman numerals? Can you see the picture? Yes. What do you know about Roman numerals? Yes, Roman numerals came from Rome. And Rome is a city in European continent. And the people who lived in Rome are called Romans. They used different symbols as numbers and therefore came Roman numerals. I hope you're guessing what we are going to learn today, right? Yes. In today's class, we are going to learn how to read and write in Roman numerals. And the key word is the topic itself. And we use these 7 symbols in the Roman numerals. These are the symbols or the letters of English alphabets. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Romans use these letters as numbers. So let us learn what are the values of this and also how to relate this in Hindu-Arabic system. Are you ready? In the previous class, I had told you to keep the cutouts ready of these symbols. Are you all ready with it? Yes. Have your cutouts and content book and workbook with you. Right? So let's continue. First, we need to know the values of the symbol. Open your content book, page number 4. Can you see the values and the rules in the page? Yes, what are the values of these symbols? Come, let's study. The values of the Roman symbols are like this. Can you see the table? Yes. I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, and X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, and M is equal to 1000. Letters in the first row are Roman symbols, whereas the numbers in the second row are Hindu-Arabic numerals. Clear, children? Yes. Now, let us learn the rules. Rule 1 says, repetition of these letters refers addition, meaning I have 3 eyes. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Also, I have x and x. I have 2x, which means x plus x is equal to 20. We are adding here. Clear? Now the next rule. Letters cannot be repeated more than thrice. Yes, here I have 3 eyes, which is equal to 3. In the next number, I have 4. Can I write like this? No, it is ruled out. We cannot use more than 3 times. Also, I have 3x, which is allowed, whereas 4x are not allowed. We cannot write more than 3 times. Clear? Next rule. A smaller value after a greater value refers addition, whereas before a greater value refers subtraction. Did you understand? Confused? Yes. Let me clear with an example. Here you can observe V plus 1. V plus I is equal to 6. A smaller value, which is I, which is written after V, meaning we need to add. Right? V plus I is equal to 6. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. And here x plus I. When it is written after greater value, then we need to add. X plus I is equal to 10 plus 1, which is equal to 11. Right? What happens when it is written before a greater value? Yes, when I is written before V, then it is 5 minus 1. We need to subtract. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Can you observe? Right. And here, x minus I, that is 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Is it clear? Now we'll go to the next rule. V, L and D cannot be repeated. That is, I cannot write V and V. This is ruled out. I cannot write L, 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 which is again ruled out. And also D and D cannot be repeated. Clear? Now, keep the cutouts and the book ready. Now, we shall have an activity. I'm going to give you some numbers for which you're going to convert them into Roman numerals. Clear? Yes. First one is 25. Arrange the cards, children. Arrange the cards for number 25. Done? How did you do? Yes. First, we need to expand the number 25. And it is 10 plus 10 plus 5. And for this, we are going to convert 10 plus 10 plus 5 into Roman numerals, that is x plus v. Clear? Now we are going to combine the symbols and we get x, v. Now our 25 is equal to x, v. Clear? Now the next number, 92. Arrange the cards for this number. Done? Yes. First, we need to expand the number. Expand 92. My 92 is 90 plus 2 and 90 is 100 minus 10. Right. Plus 2. Now, we are going to convert this into Roman numerals. 100 is C. Now, my minus 10 is X. That is, remember the rule, while subtracting, we have to write smaller value before the greater value. Clear? Plus 2. That is I. Now, we are going to combine the symbol and we get X, C, I. Therefore, 92 is X, C, I. Correct? Next, 184. 184. Yes, arrange the cards for this. First, we need to expand the number, right? 184 is equal to 100 plus 50 plus 30 plus 4. Next, what should we do? Right, we have to convert this into Roman symbols. And what is 100? C, 50 is L, and 30 is X. And my 4 is IV. Now combine the symbols and we get CL, X, IV. Therefore, my 184 is CL, X, IV. Clear? Now I have one last number, that is 893. Arrange the cards for this. Yes. How did we solve this? We first write 800 as 500 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100, which is equal to D. My 500 is equal to D. Next 100 is C. 100 C. 100 C. That is D, C, C, C. Next, we write for 90. 90 as 100 minus 10 or XC. Finally, we write 3 as I. Now, we'll combine all the symbols and the number is D, C, 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 X, C, I. Clear? Therefore, my 893 is equal to D, C, 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 X, C, I. Clear, children? Yes. Now, let's discuss what we have learnt in today's class. Yes. How do we read and write Roman numerals? How do we read, children? And how do we write using the symbols? Yes. The Romans used 7 alphabets for which each letter has a different value. I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, L is equal to 50, X is equal to 10, and C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, and M is equal to 1000. Yes. And also, we have few rules to follow while reading and writing the numbers. We need to follow these rules. Now, put on your thinking caps and answer to my question. Compare using greater sign, lesser sign, equals. Compare the numbers given. One is in Hindu Arabic and the other is in Roman numeral. Yes, 36, and read the number 26. So, what is the answer? Yes, 36 is greater than 26. How did we get this answer? For this, we have to first convert Roman number to Hindu Arabic number. For this, we need to convert Roman number to Hindu Arabic number and then compare. Clear? Children, for your keen listening, I have a fun song for you all to chill out. Yes, stand where you are and let me play the music for you.
Hey everybody, let's do the tootie-ta! A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta! A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta! Thumbs up! Thumbs up! A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta! A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta! Thumbs up! Thumbs up! Elbows back! Elbows back! A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta! A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta! Thumbs up! Thumbs up! Elbows back! Elbows back! Feet apart! Feet apart! A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta! A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta! Thumbs up! Thumbs up! Elbows back! Elbows back! Feet apart! Feet apart! Knees together! Knees together! A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta! A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta! Thumbs up! Thumbs up! Elbows back! Elbows back! Feet apart! Feet apart! Knees together! Knees together! Bottoms up! Bottoms up! A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta! A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta! Thumbs up! Thumbs up! Elbows back! Elbows back! Feet apart! Feet apart! Knees together! Knees together! Bottoms up! Bottoms up! Tongue out! Tongue out! A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta! A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta! Thumbs up! Thumbs up! Elbows back! Elbows back! Feet apart! Feet apart! Knees together! Knees together! Bottoms up! Bottoms up! Tongue out! Tongue out! Eyes shut! Eyes shut! A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta! A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta! Thumbs up! Thumbs up! Elbows back! Elbows back! Feet apart! Feet apart! Knees together! Knees together! Bottoms up! Bottoms up! Tongue out! Tongue out! Eyes shut! Eyes shut! Turn around! Turn around! A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta! A tootie-ta, a tootie-ta, a tootie-ta-ta!
Hope you all enjoyed the 2D chatter. If you have enjoyed, show me a thumbs up. Yes. Now it's time for a worksheet. Yes. Take out your workbook S4. And the first question is, write the value for each symbol. Yes. See the symbol and write the value in Hindu-Arabic numeral. Second, complete the table. There are two columns. One is in Hindu-Arabic and the other one is in Roman. Accordingly, complete the table. And the third question, compare using greater than, equals and less than. Yes, compare both the numbers and then insert the symbol. Now children, it's time for our homework. Let's see what homework do we have for today. Note on the homework. Yes, solve the worksheet and solve the lesson 4 practice question 1 to 3 from your content book. Clear? Yes, this comes to an end of our today's learning. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.